Hi, I'm going to be doing the premiere special for you that I promised you earlier this week. Just be patient with me. This is my first. This is your homepage of YouTube. Up here in the corner, you see your logo for your channel. Click on it, and you go to the studio, which is this one right here. Okay, and then you can go either here to upload a video, or you can go over here. You, you got your choices here. You can go to comment, go live, or just upload a video. And these ones here are just extra stuff like creative post, new playlist, new podcast. So you can take it from there. Anyway, so let's go from there. Okay, now for me, I'm gonna take my file from here, which I have already set up. Okay, which one is it? This one here. I'm going to drag it right in this spot here, and it'll upload it to it. And then you put your details of your your thing in there, your video, whatever it is. I should say, I'm going to put down testing, and then you go down to the next one here. You go to the description. Just just type in something like just testing. Just testing. Okay. And thumbnail, you can use either the one that YouTube picked up for you, or if you got one already made up, you can go like this. I already got one made up, so just click, drag on it, and it should work. Oh, there it is. Okay, there it is. Okay. Now, if you want to put it in a playlist, you can just select it here for playlist. I got all kinds of playlists here. So anyway, the next one is audience. Is this for kids or not? So you either put down yes, it's for kids, or it's not for kids. I always put down no for kids because I never know what's gonna happen. Show more. Okay, you want age restriction. If you want to restrict it to 18 or over, you can say yes, but otherwise say no. Paid promotion. This is just the uh, for paid promotion by another company. You're advertising something for another company. That's where you gotta check that off. Automatic captures that should be checked off. Automatic. Uh, featured places. Yeah, allow automatic. Allow automatic kind of stuff. That's your oh yeah, that's just concept to automatically appear in your description. Now, these ones here, you can put down tags. I'm gonna just type in hashtag SCA for now. Uh, your language it's never been broadcast. You can put your location if you want to hear your date and location. I usually do that. Embedding, that means that you can allow people to take get your video and embed it into there. Like for example, if you're doing a shout out, you can take a huge clip out of it rather than the usual 30 or 60-second clips. Uh, you can publish. Yeah, when you go to publish this thing, it publishes description feed and notifies subscriber. If that's not checked, it'll just go straight to your video on your landing page, and nobody will ever know that you uploaded it. So just yeah, click that. Okay. Now, short remixing. Yeah, if you want if you want to let people use your video for short clips, you got three options. So you can use allow both video and audio remixing, allow only audio, or don't allow mixing at all. I always put allow both anyway. Allow video and audio both. Okay, the category. This is There's a lot of choices here. I like comedy because that's what my site's all about anyway. So anyway, okay. Now this one here, yeah, comments and rating. Choose if you want if and how you want to show the comment. You want it on, comment moderation, none, off. Sort by top or newest. Always top. Always the top. Don't put new ones first. And then show how many viewers like this video. In other words, when someone clicks on the thumbs up, it'll show it on your end. Now this is what I mean is this video is still uploading and it's processing. Right now it's in standard def, but it will be in your high def and 4K if you have that, and your checks are okay. There's no copyright or anything like that wrong with it. So, okay, next one. Now, as type titles, unless you want to fool around with your own adding subtitles to it, just forget that because YouTube will add your uh, your subtitles to it, providing you have it turned on in your settings, which I can go into later. Okay. Now, cars. Now this is gonna be neat. Now you know the okay. I'll just put down here. Yeah, this one here. Okay. See, it, that that thing there. Here's today's joke of the day. Well, when that pops up, you can click on it, and it'll come up with the joke. And then you click on it, and then you go through it afterwards. That's for okay. Custom message. That's just something you can put in there. Teaser. Uh, you can say something like something like that. Put in there. And this is your editing, your online editing tool. So it's no problem there. Now save this up here. Okay. Next. Okay. You check copyright. There's no issues. And if there's anything issues, you can send back learn more about it, feedback. Next. Now, this is your very important thing here. Okay. Public. Set it for public. Okay. You can set it as an instant premiere, which means as soon as you as soon as you hit the publish, it'll go online. But you don't want that. You want schedule. Okay. Now you you got the time and date here. Okay. What time? Don't forget in the in, in this in this in this studio. It only comes in increments of 15 minutes, so you can take it from there. Whatever. That is Premiere. Okay. Now set up Premiere. Okay. See that here, the theme? Okay. That's your classic. That's your ultimate on. You can go through them all and pick them, like figure out which one you want. Okay. Countdown time. 2 minutes is usually plenty enough time. I wouldn't go any less than 10 minutes or any higher than 3. But 2 minutes is usually good. Okay? So click on that and save it. And when you get done with it, you can you can hit the schedule and it'll automatically come up. Okay. Any questions? Let's see. Let's see what it looks like on my channel here. Okay. Uh, oops. It's not showing up. Oh well. It'll show up eventually when it gets done all this I just want to check something right here. Your studio. Make sure it's in there. Go to content and there it is right there. Sorry, Premiere and everything. So it's already set for Premiere. Anyways, just make sure you're there at the time you set it up, so you can have a chat with everybody and have fun. If there's any questions you want to ask me about it, about this setup here, please let me know in the comments or message me, whatever. Eventually, I'm going to be doing it on the phone. I'm going to show you how to set it up on the phone too. Eventually, as soon as I get this figured out. So take care. Thank you for your patience, and I hope this helped out a lot. And we'll see you on the next time. Bye bye.